Lolasana, it is a variation. Some people call it Tolangulasana also. In this, we have to keep the legs straight and then lift your entire body. While lifting, the hands have to be close to the body and lift it. While lifting, you can either keep your hands, palms like this or like this. Anything is fine. Okay. Now, let's keep the legs like this. And then, as I said, keep the hands close to the body. Don't keep it away. That makes it very difficult to lift. I'll show from this side again. Okay, this way or this way. And it's, as I said, this is difficult actually. That is why you can do like this initially. This has multiple benefits, starting from, it will strengthen your wrist, elbow, shoulders, and also especially it is good for the core. If you are planning to reduce your tummy fat, this helps a lot. And also this will strengthen. To get the benefits out of this, you need to do it regularly at the right time, early morning or in the evening.